A new clash is ongoing in Syria between the Syrian military and the Druze community. The Syrian military entered the Druze strongholds, triggering fierce attack on minorities and prompting Israeli strikes. Syria's new leader, Ahmed al-Shara, pledged to protect the country's diverse communities but has so far failed in preventing attacks on Alawites and the Druze sect. In April, clashes between the pro-government armed forces and Druze militias left at least 100 people dead. So who are the Druze and why is Israel striking Syria? Let me break it down for you. The Druze are a secretive religious minority scattered across Syria, Lebanon, and Israel. The Druze faith emerged over 1,000 years ago, rooted in Islam but distinct in beliefs. The community lives in Syria, Lebanon, and Israel and follows a closed, highly private religion. Only a few are allowed to study their holy texts. In Israel, the Druze are fully integrated. They serve in the military and hold public office. But across the border in Syria, they've come under threat from Iran-backed militias, jihadist groups, and even forces loyal to the Assad regime. They are caught in a deadly conflict with Israel launching airstrikes in Syria, reportedly to protect them. Recently, Israel has carried out strikes in Syria's Sweda region, home to many Druze villages. Officials say the attacks aim to stop Iranian arms transfers, but also to protect the Druze from possible massacres. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu's office said, Israel is committed to preventing harm to the Druze in Syria due to the deep brotherly alliance with our Druze citizens in Israel and their familial and historical ties to the Druze in Syria. Israeli Druze leaders have raised concerns demanding that the government act to prevent ethnic violence across the border. For Israel, it's not just a humanitarian concern, it's strategic. The Druze have long been seen as quiet allies in a volatile region. Israel views the Druze as a key group in maintaining stability in a region fraught with conflict. Their presence acts as a buffer against extremist elements and provides a degree of localized intelligence and support.